Honorable Speaker, it is on my behalf and on behalf of the people of Dagoretti South constituency that I pass the condolences to the family of John Koech, a consummate leader, and he has served in a life that has left a legacy for his people and for the country. Mr. Speaker, as I pass these condolences, I also want to bring notice to this House that Nairobi City County has just lost a very young, a very passionate leader in the name of MCA for Kariobangi North, Honorable Joel MUNUVE. Joel MUNUVE is known to me for many years, Mr. Speaker. He first vied in 2007 when we were part of a big movement, the Gen X revolution. Back then, when we were clamoring for space for young people in leadership, I dare say that our movement was not faceless, it was not leaderless, it was not formless, and some of us ended up taking up positions, some of us in parliament, and people like Joel MUNUVE have ended up as MCAs in the Nairobi City County. But Mr. Speaker, the death of Honorable Joel MUNUVE is a curious death at a time when he was raising very pertinent issues about the leadership and the goings-on in City Hall, Mr. Speaker. Only 3 days before his death, the Honorable Joel MUNUVE dared to first collect signatures for the impeachment of the governor of Nairobi City County. Secondly, he had said that he's going to reveal very damning information about the goings-on in City Hall, Mr. Speaker. So even as we are saying Paula to the family of MCA Joel MUNUVE, I wish that this House would stand up and call upon the investigative authorities not to gloss over this matter, because this matter might be having very serious interests that go very high up. Mr. Speaker, we would not want to place the blame anywhere. Let that be left to the investigative authorities. All we are asking, Mr. Speaker, is to ensure that the death of Honorable MUNUVE is investigated to the full and that no stone is left untouched. And let us not imagine that the issues that he was canvassing have no connection to a certain death of a very passionate leader who was serving Nairobi City Council with very good ideas, very reform-minded, transformative, and a seeker for integrity in Nairobi City Hall. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for that opportunity, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.